What is real self-defense? Karate, MMA, grappling? Of course, all that is important. But what is more important? What are the basics? Communication skills. Knowing how to talk your way out of something is important. Coming from a government college, how to save yourself from ragging. Be good to the juniors, be good to the seniors, always have a smiling face. You don't have to go at their home and eat dinner. You just have to smile for right now. You don't have to be friends with them. I know I don't agree with them, but for now, I'm good to most of the people. For self-defense, don't look at the world like everybody is threat, everybody is your enemy. Look at everybody as your friend. So now, half of your problem is solved. So good communication skills. That is self-defense. Reading a room, judging people. You don't have to be loud about it. You have to judge in your head. Judging a room or judging someone. How long does it take? 10 seconds? 15 seconds? Walk into a new restaurant or something you have never seen before. Looking at who is where is the exit, where did I come from, where is the fire extinguisher, something like that. How long does it take? 15 seconds, 20 seconds? You can spend that time. Two people are talking to me. One is an old lady who can barely walk. Another is a tall man who's having red eyes or something like that. I'm not being judging. I don't want feminist people to comment in my comment box. But I'm saying this lady is not a big problem for me. But this man can be. Looking at his body, looking at his strength, looking at his way of talking, looking at his eyes. Maybe he's drunk or something. So I have to judge people. I have to judge places. This is self-defense. मुंह खोलते हुए ध्यान से खोलिएगा. This is self-defense. When you're going to a new place, know the history. I'm not talking about the ancient history or whatever the place is. Know the people. What are their history? How are the people? Like what are their ideologies? What are their politics? So when you open your mouth, you're safe. So मुंह खोलते हुए ध्यान रखिएगा और किसके साथ आप मुंह खोल रहे हैं उसमें भी ध्यान रखिएगा. इससे क्या होगा? थोड़े बच्चे रहोगे. Before putting my feet into my shoes in this forest area, I just kick my shoes so that there is no snake or scorpion or spider inside. Usually it happens. This is self-defense. An extra bottle of petrol when you're going for a long drive in the back, somewhere in the back of your vehicle, that is self-defense. Learning how to fight, learning how to defend yourself, of course, those things are important. That is why you are practicing this every day. तभी तो रोज अपना शरीर तोड़ते हैं, fit रहने की कोशिश करते हैं. All that is important. But what is more important? When you go out, you carry things that are important. What are important things? Set of tools that you may need to get out of a difficult situation. I'm not talking about weapons, but knowing how to use things as weapons is important, right? It might not be a gun or a knife or something like that, but maybe your pen. When you're going out, what is more important? You have a gun, but you forgot your mobile phone. It doesn't work. That means you did not get the idea of self-defense. It is about being prepared. Most of the time, you won't need your gun in your entire life. You will need your mobile phone to call, and for your money and for whatever, carry cash. You should have your wallet with you, with your license and whatever. Right? This is preparedness. Once you are prepared to go out like this, with this mindset, all those self-defense problems are already solved.